Here is details how to solve no sound issues in Samsung Rex series mobile. First, you need to check earphone connector. If it's found okay, then check ear connected IC to earphone socket. If required, please change. Here is the process how to replace earphone connector IC in Rex Samsung Rex series mobile. You can use to you can replace the IC by using hot air gun or SMD rework station. You can see the process how to replace the connector IC or you fix the issues no sound problem in Rex GTC 3312 model. Thank you.